Bow, 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 bow. Plano kong magtrabaho sa
For more information, simply follow the instructions posted in your with all dip on airway.
Wow, shared with Anna. There, and we are very tired. We have 2 hours of sleep. Now we're getting in. Nagwi-withdraw si Ada. Ako maghahanap ng Forex. Tapos hanapin pa namin Airbnb namin. It's already 5 p.m. sa Japan. Yung flight namin na-delay ng 1 hour. So that's that. And ang haggard ko na, grabe ng pula ko na. As I was saying, we are gonna get yan. And medyo nahihiya ako mag-vlog, guys. Kasi ako lang nag-vlog dito. Nampula ko na. Sana hindi ako mag-flare. First day pa lang. We need to rest. We need to find our Airbnb. Rest. eat dinner, sleep, rest talaga. And then tomorrow, my birthday, will be a better day. A fun day, a more fun day. At least nakarating na kami in Japan after all the stress. Sinong hinarang sa immigration? Ha ha ha. Napawisan na kami.
Please take the coins. Be careful not to leave coins, bags.
Finally found a bento. Bento. Curry. Yay! Ikaw. Time in Japan naman. Okay. Ako muna. Ay. Wow. How to Japan coins? Forgot them na. Galit ka. Malapit ko sa Pilipinas. Did you hulog it first? Hulog it first, yes. Very konyo, ha? Make hulog it first, then make press. Make pindot. Okay, make pindot. Great. Make kuha. What did you get? Kohi! Masarap ba yan? Masarap ba yan? Hindi mo alam. Ada's getting us some tickets to Hakata. Tickets to Hakata. Pero binasa mo yung oras. Yeah! We're in a bus. But I didn't take a video of the bus. Basta, punta kayo dyan. Bili ko lang kayo ticket, tapos punta kayo dito. Hakata Station. Kung Hakata kayo. Pero yung iba, may design. And other stations. Just Google wherever your station will go. If all else fails, just go to the tourist info and ask how. Yeah. Wala kasi kaming research beforehand. Do not be afraid to ask people. What? Kahit ako. Conquering her fears. Exactly 5:30. On time. We're home, I think. We think so. Yeah. Let's go. Pero Airbnb with the elevator. Woohoo! My elevator! It's so small. And cute. Yay! We're home! Finally! Woo! So we're in, but it feels a little weird because it's not like the pictures. But yan. Yung bedsheet nila, mattress cover. And then, may pillowcase naman yung pillow. Tsaka may kumot naman. Pero yung bedsheet nila, mattress cover. We have a washer. Yeah. We have a... Ooh, hiwalay yung toilet as usual. As per usual. And then we have the shower. It's big, ha? It's big, ha? Big. It's nice, but weird lang yung ano. What's that? Ano? What? Kanila yata yan. Yan, so ito na yung cabinets natin, and a microwave, and a refrigerator. I think it's open na. Yeah, it's open. Yay! Inuman na, Char. Yata! Lukasan natin ang ating aircon. Girl, nilock mo. Like, lock. Girl, nakalock na ba to? Girl, bukas pa tayo, girl. Girl! Hindi, girl, ito. Ito yung bukas. Awit sa'yo. Awit sa'yo. Ayan ang ating wifi. Okay, great. Our first yatay spot. Kaso mag-iinom yata dyan. Cool. Walang tao. Walang tao sa Fukuoka.
Tapos nagdala kami mabibigat na mga coat, yung mga
Tas hindi
pang-heavy
malamig.
Hindi, Ben, naka-t-shirt tsaka sando lang ako.
Hindi malamig, nagpawis kami. Sure ka? Tumatawid kami sa ano. Ay, wait. Okay. Basta walang tao dito. Compared sa Osaka and Tokyo. We're gonna go to a grocery for dinner. Nahubaran ako ng jacket ko na lalagay.
Gusto mo dito?
Hindi, wala.
Dito na.
Sige na nga. Oh. Gusto niya eh.
Laki ng tote bag ko.
Bye. Na-do grocery shopping there. Sa fresh food market ko ano man. Nakita na namin mga yatay. I'm so excited to eat there.
Okay, hindi na translate.
Wala kaming translation sa cash register. Si Ada gumawa. Anyway, bawal mag-camera sa loob. So,
Hindi kami
we just got the stuff and left. And we're gonna go to 7-Eleven for dinner. Hindi ko mag-yatay, pero next time na ayaw makipag-usap sa ibang tao.
Pagod na eh.
Hi. Let's go to 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven, let's go. As usual, ito na naman tayo kakain. Last two sa shelf, and it's, anong oras na ngayon? It is shrimp and something. Ay, ayoko yan. Ito pala gusto ko. Egg and soy sauce, I'm guessing. Girl! Okay, tapos ayoko na yung iba. I will get some noodles for tonight. Renind nila yung coffee just now. Cool. Kita tayo, Ada. Arabica, bango. Yahoo! Coffee. It's done peeing. Done peeing. So, here's our 7-Eleven dinner. I got udon with, what's that? Tempura. Girl! Rice with tempura. Tapos yung ramen niya gagawin kong tempura sauce kasi maalat daw. Sad life. Then she got, nagkakape ka ngayon? Kape yan? Hindi. Kinako latte. No coffee, just milk. And then she got pudding. Tapos yung akin mamaya strawberry yogurt. Sobrang pagod na namin. Bukas na mag-vlog na maayos, guys. Eating in heated plastic. The best. Sarap ng plastic.
Plastic and styro.
Sarap. Ano ba yun? Ang convenient. It's like, it's cooked with love. Kung may naririnig kayo, si Ada yung kumakain ng ramen. Parang hindi convenient. Parang hindi convenient. Yung quality.
Pag sa atin yan, iba na.
Kasi ang sarap ng udon. It's cooked so perfectly. Like,
Yung noodles nga din
the
ito.
chew. Yeah. Ang galing. Grabe. I'm so amazed. Sana ganito rin sa Pilipinas.
Hindi naman tikman yung meat.
Ang gold. Ito.
Mga pala tubig.
Guys, ito na siya uli. My favorite 7-Eleven drink, the strawberry one. But, wala naman yung 7-Eleven kasi late na kami pumunta. Sana makapunta kaming, tapos merong, sana may strawberry sando kasi dapat strawberry season ng November to March. Pero masyado pang early in November. Sana magkaroon. Birthday ko na ba? Hindi pa. 8 o'clock pala. Ay, 9 o'clock pala. Birthday ko nga pala bukas, nalimot. Sarap pa rin. Sarap. Ano siya? I'm so tired, wala na akong masabi. So nga matulog. Kaso, maligo pa kami. Ano lang siya, like, mattress cover. So, tinext ko yung yung Airbnb owner. Yan daw talaga yung bedsheet nila. Pinapalitan daw for every guest. Talaga lang. May pillowcase naman daw. So, and may blanket. So, parang ready naman talaga nila. Ang taas ng review nila eh. Pero parang, yun, sketchy-ish. Maayos naman yung place. Like, mayroong certification ni Trip.com sa Airbnb. Tama ba? O Booking.com, something. Booking.com and Airbnb. Pero weird siya. Like, it's not a hotel daw. Pero it's a little... kung sa lahat ng Airbnb na stayan, medyo mababa siya sa rating. For me. Meron mataas siya sa rating ng iba. Pero kasi maganda yung location niya, nasa ang daming malapit na konbini.
Tapos may Yakata?
Yatay.
Yan.
As in naglakad-lakad kami palabas, tas may yatay na. So I'm like, wow. Okay, sige, pangit na. Okay lang. Kasi kala ko mahirapan kami maghanap ng yatay. If you don't know what yatay is, this is it. Show video. Yeah, sikat siya sa mga tourists, pero hindi ko pa alam kailan kami pupunta ni Ada kasi haba ng pila dun sa gusto kong puntahan. Kasi napanood ko na siya sa YouTube. Siya lang ang napanood ko sa YouTube dun sa mga nakita namin. Parang mga 5 na yatay. Anyway, kung gusto niyo malapit sa yatay, dito kayo magstay.
Tenjin, Minami area, tsaka Watanabe Dori.
Watanabe Dori. Flash on screen. Anyway, ano ba yung sasabihin ko? Ayan, may mga konbini. May 7-Eleven, Family Mart, Mini Stop.
Meron din yung parang grocery.
Yung grocery na bawal mag-video. Tapos, grabe yung grocery, naubos lahat ng laman. As in, lahat. As in, yung mga ganito nila, yung mga ready meals. Thank you, housekeeper. Naubos lahat ng meals. As in, gone. First time ko makakita ng gano'n ka-empty na grocery. Kasi yung grocery namin sa Tokyo, ang dami pa naiiwan, nakakakuha pa kami. Yung talagang zero, as in clear. Yung parang sa anime, ganyan. Wala talagang laman. Tapos, meron ding, ano yun, cosmetic store malapit. Basta nasa main-ish area pa siya. Dalawang cosmetic store. So, like, konting kembot lang, makakabili na kami pa sa lubong. Ito pala yung gusto ni Ada. Kinako latte daw.
Yeah, something like that. Basta gatas.
Kinako, usually yun yung nasa warabi mochi. I forgot what it
It's
is.
soy. It's like
Soy
soybean.
powder. Soybean powder. Ayun yung picture.
I like it.
Masarap daw to. Hindi ko pa na-try. Strawberry. 2 hours lang tulong namin both. Plus konting idlip sa... As in, konti ah.
Ikaw ba? Naka-edit ka ba?
Konti lang. As in, konti talaga. Hindi talaga na konti. Ohio! If pwede. Fake news!